When searching for the right professional auto detailer, keep these important things in mind. Full-service auto detailers will provide cleaning, restoration, and applications for the exterior, interior, and engine of your vehicle. The right service uses quality products and correct application techniques, providing a shine and protection that only professionals can achieve. You'll want to know how long they've been in business. If the shop is established, they should provide a portfolio of previous client work for you to examine. The following are 3 vital tips when choosing a professional auto detailer that's right for you. 1. Before your work begins, explain your expectations or any special requests. This will avoid surprises in the final price or outcome of your work. 2. To save money, ask about interior and exterior combo packages, also monthly pricing or weekly specials. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right auto detailer. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.